Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete images from your ChatGPT library on mobile. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So let's get started. First of all, open ChatGPT app on your mobile. Then tap on two lines at the top left corner. After that, tap on images. Now scroll down and here you can see all the images you have created in ChatGPT. Here you choose the image you want to delete. But when you open it, you won't find any delete option. To delete the image, tap on the information icon. Then tap on Open Chat. Now tap on the three dots from here. After that, tap on Delete. Then tap on Delete again to confirm. Keep in mind, currently you cannot delete a single image only. You have to delete the entire chat. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.